Today we are starting exercise 5. Already I told you the properties. By using that properties we are going to solve the following here exercise 5. So what is the first way here? Verify the following. We have to verify whether LHS part and RHS parts are equal or not. So now what we have to do, we have to solve this problem by using one property. Which property we can use here? We can use distributive property. Why we are using distributive property here? We are seeing two signs together here. We are in this property we are having multiplication sign and also addition sign. So what is the property here? Which property we will use? A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. So by using this distributive property we are going to solve this problem. So now first you write the given number here. Given 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equals to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So first you solve the LHS part. So what is there here? First we have to solve the bracket values. That is 18 into 7 plus into minus is minus 3. So this is LHS part. 7 I wrote as it is, plus into minus is minus 3. Now coming to RHS part, here 18 sevens are, that will be 126 plus 18 minus 8 plus into minus will be minus 18 threes are, will be 54. So now solve this. 18 into 7 minus 3 will be 4 is equals to 126. We are seeing the double sign converting to single sign. Plus into minus is minus 54. So now 18 fours are 72 and 126 minus 54 is also 72. So we have verified that LHS part is equals to RHS part. Okay, now next problem in this. So next one, minus 21 minus 4 into minus 6 plus or minus 6. How you write this? Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Again this is in the form of distributive property. A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. So now solve this. This is also in the form of distributive property. Now first write the given expression. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6 is equals to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Now solve the first bracket thing, you solve it. Minus 21 write as it is. Here it will be minus 4. Here we are seeing the double sign making into single sign. That is minus 4 plus into minus is minus 6 is equals to, now minus into minus is plus. That means plus 21 fours are is 84. Now plus minus into minus is plus 21 6 is 126. Minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6 minus into minus is plus 6 plus 4 will be 10. If the bigger number sign, that will be minus. The same way 84 plus into plus is plus 126. Now you multiply this. Minus into minus is plus 21 tens is 210 is equals to 84 plus 126 is also equals to 210. So what is here? We have verified that LHS part is equals to RHS part. Once again you see they have given the question as minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6 is equals to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Now we have to verify the LHS part is equals to RHS part here. So minus 21 I wrote as it is, into I have solved this value. Minus 4 I written as it is, plus into minus will be equals to minus 6 is equals to, minus into minus is plus. So I wrote plus here, 21 4s are 84, plus minus into minus is plus, 21 6 is 126. Now you solve this, minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6 will be equals to minus 10, because minus into minus is plus. We have to add the number, 6 plus 4 is 10, bigger number sign is minus. So that will be minus 21 into minus 10 is equals to 84 I wrote as it is, pressing the double sign here, plus into plus is plus 126. Now minus into minus plus 21 into 10 is 210 is equals to 84 plus 126 will be equals to 210. So the LHS part is equals to RHS part. Now next one. So second bit. What is the question here? For any integer, a is an any integer. You can take any integer in place of a. What is minus 1 into a equal to? So what they told, for any integer a is an integer, you can take in place of a, you can take any type of integer. What is minus 1 into a? If you are multiplying minus 1 to a, you are multiplying these two, minus 1 into a, what will be the result they are asking. So if you take a value as any integer, I am taking the a value as minus 5, or take it as plus 5. A is equals to 5. We are taking the a value as 5. If you are multiplying in place of a 5, what will be the result here? That is minus 1 into, in place of a, which number we are substituting? 5 we are substituting. So minus into plus is minus, 1 5s are 5. So if you multiply, this is an example for that. So if you multiply 1 minus 1 to a, always the result will be in the form of minus a. So if you multiply, if you take a value as plus 5, substitute this 5 value in place of a. What is that? Minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5 will be minus 5. This is only for example for understanding. If you are multiplying minus 1 to 5, the result is minus 5. In the same way, if you are multiplying minus 1 and a, always the result will be in the form of minus a. Minus I wrote as it is. This is the a value what we have taken, that is 5. So in the same way, a value will be a only here. Minus 1 into a will be equals to minus a. In the second one, determine the integer whose product is minus 1 is 5. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5 exists. So what is the question here? For minus 1, which integer we will multiply to get the result as 5? So what is the question here? For minus 1, which integer we will multiply to get the result as 5? So how do you write this? For any integer, for minus 1, which integer we will multiply? Which integer you will multiply to get the result as 5? So here what is the result for this 5? It is a positive number. For this 5 we are having a positive number, positive sign. So for minus, which sign you will multiply to get positive? That is minus into minus is plus, positive sign. So for 1, which number you will multiply to get 5? That will be 5 itself. So minus into minus will be plus, 1 into 5 is 5. 5. So which number you are multiplying to get 5 here? That is minus 5. So minus 1 into minus 5 will be equals to 5. So next bit. So next is find the product using suitable properties. Again we are doing the multiplication by using the suitable properties. By using the properties we are doing multiplications again. So find the product using suitable properties. So by using the suitable properties we are finding the product now. Now what is the first one? This first one is 26 into minus 48 plus of minus 48 into minus 36. So what we can write here is they have given us 28 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Now in this term and in this term, which number is common in this? So for minus 48 is common in both the terms. So this value is in which property? This value is in distributive property. That is A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. That means in these two terms A is common. So we have taken the A common here. So in this also minus 48 is common. So take out minus 48 as common. So given 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So which number we have to take it as common? We have to take it as minus 48 as common, because in two terms we are having minus 48. I am taking out minus 48 as common. So after taking out minus 48 as common, which number is remaining here? 26. Now plus here also, from this case also we have taken minus 48 as common. So which number is remaining? Minus 36. Now minus 48, 26, make this double sign into single sign, that will be plus into minus is minus 36. So minus 48. So plus into minus is minus. From bigger number you subtract the smaller number. 36 minus 26 will be 10. And for the result, take the bigger number sign, that will be minus. Now minus into minus is plus. 48 into 10 is 480. So once again you listen this. They have given the question as 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Now this they have what the question they have given, that is in the form of distributive property. So they have given the term in this form. We have to convert into this. So in these two cases A is common, so they have taken A as common. Remaining terms they have kept in the bracket terms. So in the same way, from these two terms we are taking out the minus 48 as common. Minus 48 have taken common. So what is the remaining numbers here? 26 plus minus 36. Minus 48, 26 I wrote as is, double sign I have taken into single sign. Plus into minus is minus 36. Now minus 48 plus into minus is minus. So from bigger number you subtract the smaller number. 36 minus 26 is 10. And with the bigger number sign, that will be minus 10. So minus into minus is plus. 480 into 10 will be 480. 48 into 10 will be 480. So next one. Next is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. So this is in the form of which property? That is closure property under multiplication. What is closure property? Closure property means if you are multiplying two or more integers, again the result should be again an integer. So which property we are using here? We are using closure property. So given 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. So for simplifying simply, so I am rearranging the numbers here. So 15 into minus 4, just I am rearranging the values into 15 into minus 10, minus 25 into minus 4. For making the multiplication easy, I have rearranged the terms here. So now what we have to do? 15 into 10 will be minus 150, plus into minus is minus, 15 into 10 is 150. In the same way, I am multiplying these two terms. Minus into minus is plus, 25 fours is 100. So plus into minus, I have multiplied these two terms. Plus into minus is minus, 15 into 10 is 150 into, now multiply these two terms. Minus into minus is plus, 25 fours is 100. Now solve this value. Minus into minus plus, remaining numbers you multiply. So that will be equals to 15,000. Next is minus 41 into 102. So this also we can solve by using the distributive property and also by using closure property. Closure property means directly you can multiply these two terms. If you are using the distributive property, split this 102 in the form of 100 plus 2. So given minus 41 into 102. So I am using the distributive property here. So how to write in the form of distributive property? That is minus 41 I am writing as this into 102 I am writing in the form of 100 plus 2. So this is in the form of A into B plus C. So how to convert A into B plus C? A into B plus A into C. So we have to multiply these terms. So that will be minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. So multiply the terms here. Minus 41 into 100 will be 4,100. Now plus into minus here you multiply these two terms. Now plus 41 twos is 82 minus 82. So minus into plus is minus 41 twos are 82. Now you subtract this minus 4,100 minus into plus is minus 82. Now minus into minus is plus. So 4,100 plus 82 will be 4,182. And what is the bigger number sign? Minus. So what is the result? 4,182. So by using this, by using the properties, we have solved the problems. Remaining we will continue tomorrow.